Hello children, welcome back to the online class. Dear children, in our today's class we are going to practice our first lesson. All of you know now which one is our first lesson? Yes children, our first lesson is animals around us. Okay, before starting our practice, I want to tell you one thing, that whatever I have written in this presentation, no, you have to write in your EVS notebook except those pictures. All of you are ready now children? Let us start our practice. New words. First one is animals. Second one is around. Third one is picture. Fourth one is locality. Fifth one is birds. Sixth one is insects. Seventh one is reptiles. Eighth one is aquatic. Ninth one is identify. 10th one is creatures. I'll repeat it once again children. Animals, around, picture, locality, birds, insects, reptiles, aquatic, identify, creatures. See, next bit is question and answer. First question is, what are domestic animals and give two examples. Answer. Animals that live near our houses or in farms are called domestic animals. Example, cow, hen. What are domestic animals and give two examples. Answer. Animals that live near our houses or in farms are called domestic animals. Example, cow, hen. Second question, what are wild animals and give two examples. Second question is, what are wild animals and give two examples. Answer. Animals that live in forest or jungle are called wild animals. Example, lion, elephant. Animals that live in forest or jungle are called wild animals. Example, lion, elephant. You can see more wild animals in this picture. Next question. Our third question is, what are aquatic animals? Give two examples. Answer. Animals which lives in water are called aquatic animals. Example, fish, octopus. Question number 3. What are aquatic animals? Give two examples. Animals which lives in water are called aquatic animals. Example, fish, octopus. Our fourth question is, write 5 names of reptiles. Question number 4. Write 5 names of reptiles. Answer. Lizard, snake, crocodile, tortoise, chameleon. Lizard, snake, crocodile, tortoise, chameleon. Okay. Fifth question, write 5 names of birds. Okay. Question number 5. Write 5 names of birds. Answer. Crow, peacock, sparrow, pigeon, ostrich. Answer. Crow, peacock, sparrow, pigeon, ostrich. Third bit, match the following. Okay, here they have given 2 columns, column A and column B. You have to match column A with column B. Okay, first one is parrot. Okay, first I will read out whatever they have given in column A. Okay, parrot, housefly, lion, cow, fish. Now I will read whatever they have given in column B. Okay, aquatic animal, domestic animal, insect, bird, wild animal. See, parrot is a bird. That's why you have to match parrot with bird. Housefly is a insect. You have to match housefly with insect. Lion is a wild animal. You all know na? Good. Next, cow is a domestic animal. You have to match cow with domestic animal. And fish is a aquatic animal. You have to match fish with aquatic animal. Next, see, fourth bit is circle the odd one. Here I have written in green color. No, we have to circle that word. Okay. First one is cow, sheep, crow, monkey. You have to circle the word crow. Which one is there in green color? No, you have to circle that word. Okay. Why? Because remaining all three are animals, whereas crow is a bird. That's why you have to circle the word crow. Okay. You have to circle the word crow. Next, parrot, peacock, cat, pigeon. Okay, here you have to circle the word cat, because remaining parrot, peacock, pigeon all are birds, whereas cat is a animal. Third one is you have to circle the word cat. No. Next, housefly, fish, honeybee, mosquito. You have to circle the word fish. Why? Because housefly, honeybee, mosquito all three are insects, whereas fish is a aquatic animal. Okay. See, fourth one is octopus, fish, starfish, housefly. Here you have to circle the word housefly. Why? Because octopus, fish, starfish all three are aquatic animals, whereas housefly is a insect. Next, crocodile, lizard, tiger, chameleon. Here you have to circle the word tiger. Why? Because crocodile, lizard, chameleon all three are reptiles, whereas tiger is a wild animal. Next. Okay. Thank you.